Hello everyone, my name is Jindibala and I am here to walk you through the process update on the Azure Storage setup. And this week, as part of our system building project, I've created a secure, isolated storage for each of our departments. And the goal is to ensure that each team has exclusive access to its own data with which we will need when we build our virtual server next week. Okay, so first thing first I am going to do is that I'm going to create the main Azure Storage account. Okay, so for that I'm going into my Azure portal. So let me refresh because of the connection. Yeah, here we go. And here in my Azure portal, as I already previously worked on that, I'm going to create a new resource storage group. Okay, so here I will click on create. I already created previously one, but I will show you how I went into steps. Okay, I click on create, then here I fulfill every informations. I put the name of the storage, then I will choose the type, which will be um, blob storage or data lake, and then I will check the redundancy, which will be LRS, and then I will create a new one. Okay, so in the name I will say GDBala storage. Okay, then I will create a new one. What the process. Okay, so there's a problem because I created already one. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going back. I'm going to into my storage account which I previously created, which is here. Then under my storage account I must go through uh, data storage, okay, which is here. So in data storage I will click on containers, and under containers I'm going to create containers for each department. Okay, so I'm going to click on add containers, then I will put the name of the container. Okay, I will say SaaS marketing, SaaS marketing data. Okay, then we can expand this one. We will leave it to private, and then we will create a new one. Okay, this is the container inside. I can also add another one. So after creating all of them, uh, I will for the with the private access, I will put restrictions. Okay, so in each container I'm going to make um, some permission. Okay, so for example in this access I'm click on it, and then we click on access control for identity access management. Then from here I will assign roles. Okay, and here I will click on add. Okay, and then add role assignment. Okay, I will search for blob contributor. Okay, that will give me only write and read access. Okay, then I will select the member. That will give access to the user and group. Then I will select the member here, and I will put it into the member I want. Okay, I put it into customer. Yeah, and then I will add it and select, and then we click on review. It is uh, blob storage, yeah, and then we create and okay. So we create a role and containers. Yes, as we can see here, and there is the team in charge of this container. Okay, I'm going back into the engineering and also do the same thing. Okay, I'm going engineering and then access management, access control, sorry. Then I will add a new one. I will add a role assignment. Then under role assignment, I must look for blob. And then I will select contributor that will give me read and write and access. Then I will add a membership, the team that is in charge of that. Then I will look for them and then I select it, add it, and create it. Review and assign. I'm going to do also the same thing with sales and marketing. That will be a little bit quick. Okay, so everything we created, yeah, we created all the storage account. Then we created a container for each department, and then we assign all the rights for each department. Okay, so um, yeah, that's a bit about it. Um, so now, as we can see here in the sales marketing, as a proof, we can go under access management, and then role assignment. We can see that each group have been assigned to a um, specific storage or container which is into a huge storage, and then each team have access only to their resources. Okay, so um, that makes sure that the isolation is working, and I will check, and that also I check into the IAM page for each container. As you can see, only the sales and marketing, engineering, and customer success team is assigned for each container respectively, and you cannot see other teams here. That means that there is no permission for them to get into, and that means that each department or each team has only access to their own resources. So this confirms that each of them only have access to that, and this is about that. So to wrap up with it, I successfully created the dedicated storage for each department and lock it down using the Azure RBA C. This means that sales marketing access to the sales marketing data, engineering access only the engineering data, and the customer success only access uh, customer says access data. So we now have everything in place and to start building our virtual server next week. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you uh, that you'll be guiding me well. Thank you so much.